My name is Robert Poteet. I'm the facility manager here at Olympic Fruit. We are a fresh apple packer. We store and pack about 12 months out of the year. Fresh apples throughout the season with about 13 different varieties that we put into both tray packs, export, and bagging. The biggest problem we ran into was labor. Prior to working with Haley and Matthews, everything was done by hand. And now we've taken it to the next level of automation, and the Matthews on the Haley machines now gives us the ability and flexibility to print any pertinent information on each individual bag. So we were able to increase our throughput by about 15 ton an hour just by having the Haley and Matthews equipment put in. It has increased our production by over 15%. With that 15%, that gave us the flexibility of packing over another 30,000 bins a year.